Silverfish, also known as Lepisma saccharina, are small, wingless insects that are commonly found in homes and other buildings. They have a distinctive, flattened, elongated body shape and are typically silver-gray in color, although they can also be brown or bluish-gray. Silverfish are nocturnal and feed on a variety of materials, including starches, sugars, and proteins. They can often be found in damp areas, such as basements, bathrooms, and kitchens, as they require a high level of humidity to survive. While silverfish are not harmful to humans, they can damage books, wallpaper, and other paper-based products. They can also contaminate food and may trigger allergies in some individuals. To control a silverfish infestation, it is important to eliminate moisture sources, vacuum regularly, and seal cracks and crevices where silverfish may enter the home. Pesticides may also be used in severe cases. Reproduction and life cycle. Silverfish reproduce sexually, with males depositing sperm packets onto surfaces and females picking them up with their genitalia. After mating, females lay small, white, oval-shaped eggs in groups or singly in cracks and crevices. The eggs hatch after a few weeks, and the newly hatched silverfish, called nymphs, resemble miniature adults. They continue to molt and grow for several months before reaching maturity. The exact length of the silverfish life cycle can vary depending on environmental factors, such as temperature and humidity, but it typically ranges from 2 to 4 years. Silverfish undergo a process called hemimetabolous development, which means they experience incomplete metamorphosis. This is different from insects that undergo complete metamorphosis, such as butterflies and beetles, which have a larval stage that looks very different from the adult stage. During each molt, silverfish shed their exoskeleton and grow a new, slightly larger one. They may molt up to 50 times before reaching maturity. After reaching maturity, silverfish continue to molt throughout their adult lives, typically once or twice a year. Ecology. Silverfish are found throughout the world in a variety of habitats, including homes, libraries, museums, and other buildings, as well as in forests, caves, and other natural environments. They are most commonly found in areas with high humidity levels, as they require a moist environment to survive. In the wild, silverfish are important decomposers, breaking down plant matter and other organic material. They also serve as a food source for a variety of predators, including spiders, centipedes, and some species of birds and mammals. In urban environments, silverfish can be considered pests, as they can damage books, wallpaper, and other paper-based products. They can also contaminate food and trigger allergies in some individuals. However, they are not known to transmit any diseases to humans or animals. Because they require a moist environment to survive, controlling moisture levels in the home is the key to preventing silverfish infestations. This can be accomplished by fixing leaky pipes, using dehumidifiers, and ensuring proper ventilation in bathrooms and other damp areas. Vacuuming regularly and sealing cracks and crevices where silverfish may enter the home can also help to prevent infestations. Evolution. Silverfish belong to the order Thysanura, which is a primitive group of wingless insects that have changed little in appearance over the course of their evolutionary history. Fossil evidence suggests that silverfish and their relatives have been present on Earth for at least 400 million years, making them one of the oldest groups of insects. The evolutionary history of silverfish is marked by a number of adaptations to life in damp environments. For example, their flattened bodies allow them to move easily through narrow crevices, and their scales and other body structures help to retain moisture. They also have a number of behavioral adaptations, such as the ability to run rapidly and to remain motionless for long periods of time. Despite their ancient lineage, silverfish have been able to adapt to changing environmental conditions over time. For example, they have become well adapted to living in human homes and other buildings, where they can find the high humidity levels and food sources that they require to survive. Overall, the evolutionary history of silverfish highlights the importance of adaptation and resilience in the face of changing environmental conditions. While they may not have undergone dramatic changes in appearance over time, silverfish have been able to persist and thrive in a variety of environments, making them a fascinating example of insect evolution. Similar species. Silverfish are members of the order Thysanura, which includes a number of other wingless, primitive insects that share some similarities in appearance and behavior. Some of the most similar species to silverfish include Firebrats, Thermobia domestica. Firebrats are similar in size and shape to silverfish, and are also found in warm, moist environments such as buildings. They are often found in similar areas to silverfish, such as basements, attics, and bathrooms. Bristletails, order Archaeognathus. Bristletails are another primitive group of wingless insects that are similar in appearance to silverfish, with long, slender bodies and 3 tail-like appendages. They are typically found in outdoor environments such as forests and fields, and feed on decaying plant matter. Springtails, order Collembola. Springtails are small, wingless insects that are found in a variety of environments, from soil to leaf litter to buildings. They are known for their ability to jump using a unique structure called a furcula, which is located on their abdomen. While these insects may look similar to silverfish at first glance, they can typically be distinguished from silverfish by their specific body structures and behaviors. Etymology and nomenclature. The common name, silverfish, is believed to have originated from the insect's silvery, metallic appearance and the way it moves, which is often described as fish-like. The scientific name for silverfish is Lepisma saccharina, with lepisma being derived from the Greek word, lepisma, meaning scale, and saccharina referring to the insect's attraction to sugary substances. The scientific classification of silverfish has undergone some changes over time. Originally, silverfish were classified within the order Thysanura, which also included firebrats and bristletails. However, in recent years, taxonomists have reclassified these insects, with silverfish now being placed in the order Zygentoma and firebrats and bristletails being placed in separate orders. There are also a number of other common names for silverfish used in different parts of the world. For example, in some regions, they are known as fishmoths, carpet sharks, or paramites. These names reflect the insect's appearance and behavior, as well as the types of environments in which they are commonly found.